Hi everyone and welcome back to the CADReader Tutorial Series. In Lesson 5, we're going to introduce layer management in CADReader. This feature helps you to open and close selected layers, making complex drawings much easier to read. First, open a drawing in CADReader, then click on Layers in the toolbar. In the Layers menu, you'll see two key functions, Open Select and Close Select. Open Select keeps a small amount of content. Close Select removes a small amount or avoids removing too much at once. We'll go through each one step by step. Click Open Select and a notice appears saying left-click an item to select its layers. Select again to cancel selection. Right-click to finish. Now let's look at the drawing. Imagine we only want to keep the blue walls and the white grid lines visible. Left-click the blue walls to select it. Then left-click one of the white grid lines. The selected lines will turn blue. When you are finished selecting, right-click to confirm. As you can see, CADReader now only displays the layers we selected, helping us focus on the most important information. To restore the full drawing, simply click Open All. Next, let's look at Close Select. Click Close Select and you'll see the same notice appear. This time, instead of choosing what to keep, we select what we want to hide. For example, if we don't want to see these white annotations, just click on the text. CADReader will automatically hide those annotation layers, making the drawing cleaner and easier to read. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.